Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Yoga Bay, and we are here to do some yoga moves. You guys like that? But no, okay, so today we are going to just do a few yoga moves that are a little treacherous to your body, that are a little bit more so going to give you the ow and the ooh that hurts a little bit. So come join me. Let's go. Namaste, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Yoga Bay. And the first one to just do a few yoga moves that are going to just increase your, get your blood going, get you that morning stretch that you need for the morning time. So we're going to get a few of those done today. So today we're going to start off just by doing a few regular leg stretches that we all love so much. Just do a few of these. Just a few leg stretches. And we can take over our hands and place them flat on the bottom of our feet and just do a few stretches, guys. Now you don't have to go as far, but just go as much as your body can take. Make sure you feel to breathe in and out. Position. We're going to just cross our legs like so. And just lift up as far as we can to where we're pushing our weight up with our arms. Now if it gets too strenuous for you, you can come back down and just rest a little bit and then we'll go back up. Now you might feel that in your heels of your toe. So you just place your feet flat on the ground and just give yourself a moment. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to do one of my moves that I love also very much. It's called the flying butterfly. And what you do is you just push your arms back as far as possible. And we'll do it with the other arm as well. Stretch out a little bit more. And your hips back to the ground. Breathing in and out, guys. Rise up, we're going to do the other leg.